with oil dropping below 82 levels, close to 81 we had seen. In fact, now another target, long term target, has been achieved on another instrument. First it was Nasdaq 100, then Dow Jones, then gold, then silver. Now oil has also achieved 80 levels. We have been telling this since 120 levels that oil is looking forward to a drop and we might see $80 levels in few months, and see, we had achieved this. It's definitely a pleasure to see all the indices and commodities respecting the levels. Also yesterday also I told you, weekly analysis, I told you that oil and NG may look forward to it. Now what is going to happen today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not miss to subscribe this channel. Missing on this to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share and comment too. And first we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the level. On the hourly charts, it is giving a classical reversal here, and I will not say reversal but retracement, and I will consider this as retracement until and unless it is below $84 levels. Once it breaches 84, one can remain bullish on oil, but till the time it trades below 84, one can again expect that it may reverse the gears. Directional movement is bearish and it is trying to converge a little. Stochastic has again come back to overbought levels. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI, which was oversold, now has come out of the oversold zone. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, it is showing you a reversal and how far it can rise. See, 84, 85 levels can be seen. This is going to be a stronger resistance. Sustaining above 85, you can expect that this zone at 87 is going to be the next resistance level. Probability of it to rise till 87 exists, but then you have to be very cautious because right now it is showing you a reversal. It can reverse again with this trend. 81.5 on the downside is going to be the stop loss if you are long on oil. Directional movement, it is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic, which was oversold, now trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge here. The RSI was oversold and it is trying to come out of the oversold zone. On the 3-hour charts too, it is showing you a reversal here, and this is a reversal candle, but then how high it can rise again. See, this is the channel in which it is trading, and the high should be at around 86, 86.5, 87 can be the potential resistance level. I think 86, 86.5, if it continues to rise from here, could be a good resistance. But then remember, see, this is could be considered a retracement till the time it trades above 81.5. Below 81.5, you should consider it for a sell again, and then we might look forward to $80 levels and sub 80 levels. Directional movement is bearish, it is willing to converge. Stochastic is oversold and it may try to give you a little bullish move. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, and RSI was oversold, now trying to come out of the oversold zone. Look at the 4-hour charts. Candle size diminished, reversal and a rise. So potentially yes, till the time it trades within this zone, that is 81.5 to 83. In between these levels, we should refrain our entries there and we should limit our positions in between 81.5 and 83. And once it trades above 83 and that to a 4-hour candle, potentially it may try to achieve 83.8, the next resistance, and beyond that it will fly for 85, 85.5, 86 and 86.5. Directional movement is bearish, it is trying to converge here. Stochastic on the 4-hour charts is extremely oversold, possibility of it to rise exists. MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is at bottom. And on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. I had told you after this reversal, this was the first red candle, and then second probability of second red candle appearing exists, and this is a very strong probability after any such reversal. So that is what we had seen, a stronger drop. Now in fact, even if it tries to rise, how high it can go? Remember, as I said, only bullishness is seen if it breaks and trades above 87.5 level, 87 levels. So beyond 87 there will be certain bullishness. Then you can find 88 is the next resistance zone. Trading above 88, it will call for a stronger rise. Now look at the previous candle, a wick and a tail, so and a smaller body than the previous candle. So today probably either it may trade sideways. So the new candle on this chart, on this trade or on this app is yet to start. So probably we may see a swing full day again, take trading between 82 or 81.5 till 86.5. Probability of a large zone exists. Directional movement on the daily charts is extremely bearish. It can start to converge. The stochastic is trading oversold on the daily charts. The MACD is divergent and bearish. This is just 4 to 5 candles apart. The probability of it to give you a red candle today again exists, and it is very high. The stochastic is looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards. So first thing is, yes, you can take the advantage of its retracement. If you see it trading beyond 82.8, go long for 83.2 first target, 83.8 next target, and 84. Beyond 84, the next destination is 85, 85.5, and then 86 and 86.5. After beyond 85, it is like $0.5. Every $0.5 there is a resistance. Then 87 is going to be the milestone which we will look forward to. Beyond that, 88. Only consider it for reversal if it trades beyond 88 levels. So go long if you see it trading above 82.8. Only sell entry today is below 81.5. If you see it dropping below 81.5, go short or sell oil again. Then I will look forward to 80.2 levels, and this time it may breach 80 levels also. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries at right times, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, live sessions, and lifetime technical support is what you get. Do not commit this mistake, and do invest in your learning first. The next batch is starting on 12th of September itself, only couple of seats left, and post that the next batch is the 16th batch is going to be started only in October. So join this batch, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a patron and support the effort. The patron page link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at NG. See, NG on the hourly charts has come out of this channel. This was the consolidation channel. It did break out below this, and since then, after the drop at 7.8, it is trying to reverse. Now you know that it is trying to trade in this channel. Any drop below this zone at 7.85, you can go short again. This time if it drops below 7.85, one can look forward to 7.8, 7.75 and 7.7. Once it drops below 7.7, it will call for a very strong drop. Now see what it is trying to do on the hourly charts. It is trying to create a channel of its own, and it is a good swing zone. So the highs at around 8.2, the lows at around 7.7. Be watchful in between this zone. Directional movement so far is bearish, trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Stochastic has seen a high. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI has seen a high too. On the 2-hour charts, look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see, first thing is, this is the channel in which this is a narrow zone in which it is trying to trade. So one thing is clear, only long entry, only buy entry is if it trades beyond this zone at 7.95. You can see multiple candles getting rejection there. And only sell entry is below 7.85. In between 7.95 and 7.85, I will not recommend you to take a trade. In fact, if it drops below 7.85, the 7.8 levels are going to be stronger resistance. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 7.7 levels. And on the upside, if it trades above 7.95, $8 levels are going to be stronger resistance, and then 8.1 and 8.2 will come into picture. Directional movement bearish, it is willing to converge. Stochastic has seen a bottom trying to rise. The MACD has crossed over on the 2-hour charts, and it is on the buy side, it is on the bullish side. RSI has seen an oversold zone, and it is trying to come out of the oversold. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is giving you lower highs, it is giving you lower lows here. And yes, only short entry, as I said, is below 7.85, but then also below 7.85, 7.8, 7.78 is going to be good support. And if it trades below 7.78, we can expect 7.7 and 7.6 as the target. On the upside, once it trades beyond 7.95, you can definitely stay long. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is bearish and trying to converge here for a bullish move, and RSI trading oversold and it is trying to come out of the oversold zone, indicating of a rise. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, this candle's closing will be important to me, how it closes and where it closes. See, right now it is trying to consolidate within this, and that is why I say do not trade between 7.85 7.95 zone. Let it give you a breakout. Once it gives you a breakout, it is going to be stronger, and then we may see $8, 8.1, and in fact it can try to hit how high it can go. See, it can try to come back till towards 8.2 8.25 zone. On the downside, once it draws below 7.8, it may call for another round of draw for 7.75 and 7.6 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI trading oversold here. And if you look at the daily charts, look at this candle and see this candle. Neither the bulls nor the bears took the charge here. Both failed to take the charge. And also it indicates that possibility of a reversal from here exists. And yes, see, lower highs, lower lows, possibility of it getting support at 7.7 and 7.6 is strong, and then from there a bounce back till towards 8.2 8.25 levels exists. It can try to trade within this zone. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the daily charts. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish, and RSI looking downwards. Considering this, you can go long above 7.95, but then till 8.2 levels you have to be cautious. It can reverse at any point of time. $8 levels is a good resistance. 8.1 8.2 are going to be stronger resistances on the upside. On the downside, you can short below 7.85 7.8 and 7.78 levels are going to be stronger resistance. Below that, 7.7 7.6 levels can be seen, which is going to be a stronger support. Do trade with caution till 7.6 and 8.2. Above and below, it may call for another good round of rise or drop. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Reach out to me, join my Telegram channel, reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.